Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to show charging time information on Android phone. Let's get started. First thing first, open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. You can find the device care option, tap to open them. After that, locate at the battery option, click on it. You are in the battery page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. You can see charging settings or similar name depending on your phone model. Tap to open it. Then at the very top you can find the show charging information option. If you turn off your phone, simply tap on the toggle switch and turn them on. After it enable, show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is turned off or not shown. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Next video.